Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, we could see that Bitcoin is holding the support right now at 59,500. Let's see if we can get back above 60,000, as that is a big psychological level. But for the time being, it seems that Bitcoin is trending sideways. Yesterday we actually formed a nice little bullish divergence, and we actually ended up having a little pop off in the end right here, but it looks like we could even be coming back down to make another lower low, maybe 58,000, where we'll be reaching, right? Or maybe let's see if we can hold these levels here. But if we do that, then the bullish divergence is going to keep getting on bigger and bigger. Obviously you're going to see it on the larger time frames here. Maybe on the 3-hour you'll see we keep making a higher high. It's not as apparent as the higher time frames, but it is there, and you can definitely see it much better on the 1-hour. And let's take a look at market cipher quickly. We're looking at stocks in the morning there. Our gold stocks are doing quite well. We can see that the daily time frame, another 16 and a -5. But the 12-hour is starting to curl up, and we got a green dot on the 4-hour already. Closed up with a nice little green dot. The 6-hour, we have a green dot at the moment, but I definitely want to see that 6-hour close in two basically 2.5 hours. So if that plays out, then we have a nice little potential bounce here coming. Maybe we'll come back up to 64,000. Obviously that's a $4,000 pump, but you know, we've seen much more than that. A lot of people are talking about a reversal because just the fact that this is such key support that we are at right now. You know, a big line in the sand. We were trying to hold it. Sorry, we were trying to break it. Like I said in my video yesterday, we have been trying to break it a couple months back. February. I'm just gonna reiterate what I said yesterday, but just for some people who did watch my video last night, we've been trying to break it for months at a time, and we've had some successful breakouts, but then ultimately coming back down and then retesting and then retesting, right, fighting it, and eventually getting rejected back down to 30k. And now we're back, right? We're back. We got a nice pump from 40,000 all the way up, and we just blasted through it, right? And then we came back down to test the support, which we did. We held it as support, and we came back, and it looks like we held it as support here as well. Now we're coming back again to try and test it as support. Now how many times is this going to happen, right? We've tested it here, but like a bunch of times here. It's starting to get a little bit hard to see when I do all those lines, but let's zoom in a bit so you guys can see better. You can see that we have what touch point here, touch point here, touch point here, touch point, right? I guess you could say this almost was a touch point. Maybe on some exchanges this was a wick, and now we are getting another one. Right now, what's going to be the outcome of this one? I think it would be positive, in my opinion. Obviously, we are back underneath this trend, this major trend line, but this doesn't mean it was a fully accurate trend line. You know that you could redraw it in many ways. Trend lines can be redrawn, and yeah, honestly, I think Bitcoin, there's still a lot of hope left. I think we are just at a key support, and I believe that once we confirm this as very strong support over a good amount of time, we're going to see a big run up to the upside, making new all-time highs, at which point we might even see a parabolic rise in the price of BTC. But for the time being, we're at $59,671. I'm not panicking. I'm cool as a cucumber. Rick doubled down on this trade, which makes me even more confident that we might even have a rise. Anyways, hope this helps, guys. Bring a little bit of calm in the market. I know a lot of people were freaking out, right? Getting margin calls, liquidation, notifications, stuff like that. It happens. That's what happens when you play in the leverage game. Obviously, you can make, right? You can make your crazy gains, like 300% gains in days, some days, but some days you can lose up to 50%, even your entire portfolio, if you don't use proper risk management, right? But obviously, I'm doing pretty okay right now. Still in my trades. Some people are following me. I think we have 85 people now. We only have 15 spots left in copy trades on BitGet. So if you guys want to copy me there, you can use my link, sign up, get $630 bonus, and a 10% reward when you do your first deposit. And you can follow me on copy trades, and you can follow exactly what I do for free. I don't charge at all. Anyways, thanks for supporting, guys. We're at 6,070 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 6,100 by the end of the day. You guys are awesome, and we got some big news coming soon for the Discord, and some really big events that are going to be hosted by me, Rick, and the mods. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.